9-1, determine how a point changes due to a reflection on the coordinate plane. Number 2, we have triangle JKL undergoes a reflection in the given line. Determine the coordinate value of triangle J prime, K prime, L prime. So you can approach all these questions by just graphing it and reflecting it over the appropriate line of reflection, like question 1. However, this approach will just use the rules to find the point. Okay, so let's look at A. When you reflect it over the x-axis, we notice that the y value changes. Okay, so we know that if you take a look at question 1 on how we did that. Okay, so we know that for this, a reflection over the y-axis is the y value changes. So all we have to do here is change the y values. So J prime is going to be 2, comma, that minus 4 becomes a positive 4. This K becomes K prime now, 3, comma, negative 7. And L prime is now 6, comma, this negative 1 becomes a positive 1. Because when you reflect it over the x-axis, the y value changes. B, when you reflect it over the y-axis, the x value changes. Okay? So once we know that rule, we can now just apply it here. So J prime was originally 5, comma 3. So J prime is now going to be negative 5, comma 3. Notice the x value changes. For K, the new K prime, 1 becomes negative 1. Nothing happens to that negative 2. L, because L prime, nothing happens to that 4. But that negative 3, which is the x value, changes to a positive 3. Because when we reflect it over the y-axis, the x value here changes. Now let's take a look here at question 2. When we reflect it over y equals to x, the rule is that the values switches spots. Okay? And what do I mean by switch spots? Well, the new J prime, the negative 1 was the y value, now it's the x value. The 2 was the x value, now it's the y value. So J prime is actually negative 1, comma 2. K prime is going to be negative 5, comma 4. Notice it switches spots. Do you see that? That's what I mean by switches spots. L prime is going to be 3, comma 1. No, you see, did it switch? No, that's why it's wrong, right? It's 1, comma 3. Now it switches spots. That's what I mean by switches spots. Okay, so when it reflects over y equals to x, the value switches spots. Okay, question D here looks exactly the same, but there's a negative in front. Okay, it's slightly different. The value switches spots. Also, one more thing happens because of that negative in front. Okay, because of that negative in front, the sign value changes as well. Okay, so the difference between C and D is that negative. Okay, that negative just means that the sign switches values. So let me show you here. The J becomes J prime. We switch spots, so let me switch spots first. Now the value changes. So this negative goes away. This was a positive, so it becomes a negative. So that's the new point. It switches. Do you see how it switches? And then the sign changes. Okay. Switches, so 0, comma 3. It was positive, now it becomes negative, so that 3 becomes a negative 3. K prime, negative 4, comma 0, switches, and then that negative becomes a positive. So this is how it will look like when it is reflected over y equals to negative x. Remember that the value switches spots and the sign values also change.